In the beginning of the year, we received our very own Torah book. God created the world in 6 days.
God rested on the seventh day. That's why we keep Shabbat.
The people of Noah and the flood forgot how important good values are. Avram was the first Jew. He discovered there was only one God, and he bravely stood up for the truth.
Avram was kind to all the people he met. His tent was open on all 4 sides to welcome everyone. Rivka, the matriarch, was different from her whole family. While they were shady, she chose to think for herself. She was also very kind and giving.
Yaakov and Esau were twins, but they were so different. Yaakov loved to study Torah and to help other people. God promised him that his children would be as many of the stars in sand.
Yaakov sons are the 12 tribes of Israel. We all come from that original family, so we are truly related. One big Jewish family.
Joseph was told by his brothers.
Joseph was able to interpret Pharaoh's dreams and become second in command of Egypt.
Joseph forgave his brothers even though they had hurt him so much.
In September, we learned about the high holidays of Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur and how they are the beginning of the Jewish year. These holidays affect our destiny for the rest of the year.
In the fall, we learned about Sukkot. We sit in a sukkah to remind us of the clouds that God surrounded the Jews with in the desert. We also shake the 4 kites, which is a symbol of uniting all types of Jews together.
On Hanukkah, we learn about the brave Maccabees and the miracles God made for them. We made beautiful wooden menorahs as a tribute.
Tu B'Shvat celebrates the beginning of spring in Israel, and it's the holiday that we thank God for the plants and fruits and vegetables He creates.
Then we learn about how the Jews were saved from Haman. I enjoy learning about it because my Hebrew name is Mordechai.
Before Passover, we practiced the 4 questions, learned about the steps of the Seder, and the history of the Jews in Egypt.
Lag BaOmer is a holiday that reminds us of how important Jewish unity is.
Shavuot marks the day that the Jews became one nation and received the Torah from God on Mount Sinai.